First and foremost, of course, the economy, so business. We're looking at, of course, security concerns. That's the elephant in the room. You know, what's happening in our region, what's happening in Niger, and, other things. The return to democracy and normalcy is paramount. The security concerns in the region also very important. Both sides are pleased. Of course, we're going to Anga, so there will be sideline meetings there also to continue along the same lines.
As you are aware, the ECOWAS heads of state have made me an envoy to Niger Republic, and over the weekend we were there to see the military people and discuss to find the way out of the lacuna we find ourselves. So that's why I'm here this afternoon, together with the president of the ECOWAS Commission, to give a report back to Mr. President on our discussion in Niger. I must say that our visit to Niger has been very fruitful in that it has opened an avenue to start talking, and hopefully we will get somewhere. Well, like I said, we started talking. We made their own points, and then I made my report to the chairman of the ECOWAS heads of state and president. He will now consult with his colleagues, and then the ding-dong starts, and we'll get somewhere, hopefully. Hopefully, diplomacy will see the better of this thing. Nobody wants to go to war. It doesn't pay anybody. But then again, our leaders have said, if all fails, and I don't think all will fail, we'll get somewhere. We'll get out of this mess.